Hello everyone. So yeah, we fucked your mum on today's news. So hello everyone, welcome back to another Craft 06 video. Today we've got person and Void in randomly just standing there. Hello Void.
Hi Craft No Dick.
Oh, shut the fuck up. You're lucky. You're lucky.
Teeny peeny.
Oh, do you guys like my new bottle, guys?
You got teeny peeny.
No. My name is not. My name is not Oliver Light.
Craft No Dick. Yeah.
Oh, shut the. Stop copyrighting me! No! Stop the TikToks. Stop blushing.
We fucked your mum.
What the fuck? Well, we can do an hour's video, so should we do it?
Yeah.
Oh, will you shut up? So guys, we're at Titchmarsh, trying to not to film the people over there.
Yeah.
But this person we're allowed to film.
Move his nostrils.
Oh, one of them want to film is down the parsney. So, where do we go?
Can we do a music video on Craft 06?
Soon we could do like a.
Wait, can you not make more than one channel?
Well, it don't allow me anymore, so.
Well, if you did, we could do Craft 06 music.
There is one that I used to have one, but that's on the creepy line side, but it's now a creepy man. I lost another warrior. Craft 06 Official is the only channel I have at the moment, but we could do songs on there anyway. This is an intro song, this is a song, this is a song. Stop going inside holes! Oh, we found a hole. We found a hole. I like.
You found the hole?
Yeah, I like holes.
I know you do.
Stop going inside holes, please. I know you're lesbian.
Ow!
I know you're lesbian, but you're
not. I'm a gender.
I know you're agender.
Hey, get off me.
But you're still lesbian.
Let go.
Stop wanking her leg.
Leo. Demonstration.
By the way, these guys are related.
No, we're not.
I'm retarded.
No, he's retarded. He's a retarded.
Imagine if Oscar goes in this video. That'd be absolutely hilarious.
Wait.
Look.
Oscar's so pussy.
I don't think Oscar's a woman. I don't think he has a pussy.
Yeah, he does. He doesn't have one, he wants one.
I'm scarred for life. Goodbye. Oh,
Don't question why my hand hurts. I did not wank a hole. You wanked a hole.
You wanked a chair.
You did. When?
I think you had too fun. I think you forgot because you had too much fun.
Rob and that bottom. Carl Jacobs is the chair review.
Stop! Promoting!
I'm not, I'm describing.
Yeah, but you're saying other YouTube things' names.
Chair. Have you got money?
Fucking chairs.
Have you got money? I mean, I've got £1 like 50, but I'm not really that now. I think it's really worthless.
I've got a wank.
I know you do. I've got a wanker. I got a pesky. You're a panda wanker.
Sorry guys for not being able to upload like all the videos I've been doing lately. It's just been absolute fucking mess with my storage.
That's like.
Fuck you, WhatsApp.
Oi.
What? I keep getting messages from random shitty people like wankers and Mr. Wankers. Basically.
No,
I don't have as much stories
but
on.
like on my oldest TikTok account, right?
People used to text you randomly.
Oh yeah, like random people like see my brother pictures, send me their Tinders and crap.
Yeah, someone said, come and wank me. I heard my WhatsApp number and I was like,
Oh yeah, I hate
guess what I said? You piece of shit, I'm going to murder you and your family at night, and then blocked them. Yeah, those happen. Let's just say when I blocked them, they just said, what the fuck?
Yes, so many people consuming their WhatsApp to saying they wanted to meet up and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'm a viner.
I said, you shybers. I'll just call them all shybers because
These are dickheads.
TikToks allow me to call them all shybers. And that's what I love.
What I said,
You're all shybers.
right, I was nicer back then. So what I used to say was, sorry to destroy you, but back then I was like 9 or 10. I'm a 9 or 10-year-old female And I'm not looking for love. I am asexual. I mean gender. Not.
That's what I said to him.
Aromantic.
Guess what I said? I said, well, what do you think you're fucking doing,
Yeah,
mate?
back then I was like, back then I was aromantic. So.
I used to just annoy the hell out of them. I used to just say, hey, look, there's someone off Tinder.
Craft no
Now
dick.
I get to make fun of you because you're a
Craft
fucking
no
twat.
sex, more like craft no dick.
And stop talking about TikTokers like that.
So you're a craft no dick.
Yeah, but I, yeah.
No. Craft no.
69. Oh, look how he voted.
Yeah, 69. Craft no sex.
Look, stop. Can you shut the fuck up?
Craft no dick. It has no dick.
Look, I'm trying to do a YouTube video here and you're trying to fucking interrupt me.
He needs to craft his own dick.
You could just be the side character in my law videos.
He doesn't even do law though. Like,
I am law. Stop wanking me.
You are the literal wanker. You're the human being of law. Welcome to Titchmarsh.
What the
That's
fuck?
normal here. Everyone Nixon.
Stop wanking them. Mate.
It's wet. It's got water in the hole.
And guess what the shape is? Oh.
I have a decorative paper. This is why not.
Shut the fuck up.
It's decorative.
Oh no, you're giving me bad memories of when I tried to search My Hero Academia up on Google with expression mode off. I do not recommend it, guys. Do not. It was worse than that.
If you just want to see a dead pigeon.
It was cosplayers.
That's alright, I like cosplayers.
Naked cosplayers.
never mind that. Do you want your viewers to see a dead pigeon?
Oh no, I don't want them to see a dick. Pigeons have dick.
Oh, look at the fly. Oh, what's on that? Never mind. Screw that. Screw that as well.
I will not go and hump. I will not hump that. I will definitely not hump that.
I will hump anything. That's trauma. What's the trauma? Maybe
Wasp!
What's in front of you? No, there isn't. I'm looking.
There's one right behind you though. I'm meeting there's one right. They will follow you. So run away from
the
them.
wasp behind you.
Oh my god, there is actually. Haha, joking.
I'll stab one of you tonight.
They have a phobia of wasps, so we just we exploit that like the 2v2T players. We are.
Be careful around it. This is why I play the Hive. At least
I play rip-off games like banana boats and.
we do not have banana boat.
Exactly, you have lifeboat.
Yeah, we have lifeboat, yeah.
I play banana boats games of ease, like
That's our old neighbour.
with brick wars and yellow.
Brick Wars. Bed Wars. No,
Brick
Bed Wars and
Wars.
Sky Wars.
I play Sky Wars all the time. I beat
Yeah, they got
no
that
one.
Hive.
I've only killed one person ever.
Well,
I used to play it.
I've not played it now. I'm on Death Run. I'll play Murder Mystery.
Microsoft kicked me out my Microsoft account. Now I have to buy. Now I have to buy Minecraft legitimately.
Legally.
Stop talking about anime, please.
Let's
And
get
give me bad memories.
Let's get this up. Just say so.
I still find weird porn videos.
Oh god, imagine if it was like a Zawa in prison, like
Yeah, I felt sick when I searched it up.
dead boy, dead boy, dead boy.
What the fuck are you doing?
He's in a sleeping bag. Yeah, it's like, hey, got honked. Yeah, he doesn't have to get honked. That's what you do, Andy. Or do it anywhere. You do that.
You try and do a wank with a
No,
with your hand.
it's how you get honked at, man. How you get honked at. You want to get the honk.
At once, you have to get in the way of the road.
That's what Oscar did, though. Yeah, got honked at by in the way of the road.
Honk honk.
You got honked at yesterday.
Honky honk honk.
You did.
Big,
Yesterday.
big,
How?
big
You're not
telephone. Dun, 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 dun. You can tell we're in Britain because the telephone pole thing.
Oh yeah, by Ruben.
We're British.
Oh yeah, what's my Ruben?
I don't even know where we're going.
We got told by around. Oh, we got told off by an old man. Right.
Where?
Old
Why? Why? Teach Marsh
man.
Club. Oh, there's a club here. It's a strip club.
No. Deku. Xbox we got, yes.
We're drunk.
Yes we are. Oh my, okay, this is actually alright. If this traumatises you, then... No guys, we're going to film that
Deku,
bench
Deku.
over there.
Yeah, I'll see if we'll pull with.
We're going to film that bench
Don't
over
be
there.
showing me anything, okay?
Deku.
Ah, guys! hot. Here's a bench. You know, I can barely see my screen, so I don't even know what my viewers are looking at the moment. So I just got to do exit. No, look, I can kind of see it, so I kind of know what they're looking at.
I'm watching Naruto. I'm going to watch Naruto. I'm bored.
Oi, you weird porn man. Can you stop watching people hump, please?
I see you when you're sleeping.
I see you when you're fucking.
JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. That's one Boris watches.
Stop wanking.
My
Stop it. Stop it. Is it real? Does that thing from the back look like a bloody penis?
Kinda.
Don't look at my...
Don't look at that.
Vagina. I don't have a vagina. I don't have...
junk.
Carny dunk.
I'm trying to watch my
Is your brother okay?
He's a retard.
Don't. What's that?
I want to see Denki show.
Can you stop talking about Pokemon coming? You know Toby's Toby's experience. Pokemon.
Ayo. Motherfucker.
What the? Wait, they're stopping. I think I meant like punch or something.
Nah, they went that far. It's not good up.
How do they not know? Yes!
Realisation, then honk.
Oh, yes!
Oh, we should get a lorry. Oh, I'm done. Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep. Yes! Yes! Beep, beep. No,
We're not our last month's data.
I don't even know where my viewers are looking what I'm doing now. I think they're looking at the floor, so it's like weird as to be like, and then they're like, eat the floor. No.
No, get him to touch grass. Get him to touch grass.
You people that are hashtag dream stand, I guess.
I'm not a dream star.
No, not you. Ones that actually dream stands. Touch some grass. Oh, honk. Look, guys, look. Can you see my hand? Look. Oh, this feels so weird. What is this? What is this stuff? I've never touched it before.
Yes.
Touch some grass. Hashtag touch some grass.
I have a stick.
Wait, that went in a club. Wait, is that actually Mickey Mouse's clubhouse?
Oh, the week sheet.
Mickey Mouse's strip club.
Yeah, it went in the week sheet. Look.
Mickey Mouse's strip club.
Life in the week sheet though. Like, no, Leo. Right, Leo. If you go here.
What?
If you go here around evening, right? The bloody wheat sheet smells bloody amazing.
What?
The wheat sheet, the food smells amazing. I've never eaten the food there.
Yeah, we have.
No, we haven't. We actually
We sat around it.
Salute, guys. Subscribe to Craft 06 Official.
No.
And follow Eclipse.
Thank you. It's over an eclipse, thank you.
Thank you. You said you're going to do a
Wanker.
I might do it, I might not, I don't know.
You said you were going to do a face reveal. That means this is
I did want to do
this
that.
is Eclipse. This is Eclipse.
It was nice dental face reels, but yeah.
Here's your face reveal, guys.
An actual one.
Yeah, that isn't recording saying that they are Eclipse. Oh look, how I nearly said I was going to say Eclipse in one of my like videos, and you were like, no.
What is the cow?
Telephone. Subscribe, like, and yes.
Push and pull.
You can subscribe, but if you don't want to subscribe, you don't have to.
There's a big spider! I want to stick of his ass.
Where are we going now then?
Don't know.
Home.
No. Boring.
Oh, the back then. That ain't really too boring. But then, like, you know, your brothers and sisters, they'll be shown on camera. I don't know if they're allowed to.
Yeah, they're allowed. They're allowed on school photos.
Oh look, the Tesco van at Honk At Us.
Oh yeah, like when he first showed me how to get people to honk it. I don't get him to do it, but whenever he does, it's best when the lorries do it because they understand it more. So they honk more.
Yeah, but the cars don't know what it is.
What is it?
What? Who? What?
Dickhead.
Oh,
You got stick, don't you?
Yeah,
that sounds really wrong.
Just ignore him for now. Okay, if he goes in the house, we go on the road.
I'm just gonna keep walking. I like to walk. Hello. Hi. Shall I cross? I don't know if I should cross.
Why are you talking to him?
I just said hi. Look, me being a YouTuber.
You say hi to everyone.
Yeah, YouTubers got to do it. They're all getting subscribers. Quick and easy.
To everyone.
Look,
Welcome.
No, if he turns back.
YouTubers.
Somebody was a streamer before a YouTuber.
My life is a lie.
Nah, he started at 11.
So that's why I'm trying to build up my dream here rather than having to do it in the future.
I'm doing it.
How?
I'm doing it when I'm as young as possible. Then you can get more subscribers and you can do more videos when you're younger. So
Then you can get
When you're older, you get the money quicker.
yeah, exactly. And then I can actually buy my own house. So I want to live somewhere else.
Yeah, same. I want to buy a house like Tubbo did. Like Tubbo's got a really bloody amazing house.
I want to buy like we get £5 per view, I think. When you get 1,000, you can get £5 per view, I think. So like you can get
I
loads.
figured it out. On like every 1,000 views, you get like £1 something. Don't you have it?
On what?
Twitch.
You don't get a lot of money because on YouTube you get more money. I want the money so I can buy more Dr. Pepper. No, all I want is Dr. Pepper.
I've got £1.50 from last week. We're getting an allowance. Now that we're getting an allowance now from our parents, from our mum, we're getting an allowance. We start with £5. Each time we swear at them, we lose £1. You can gain more money by like doing chores and crap.
Just what I've got. I've got a good idea to do stuff.
Have you filled your bottle with water in? Does your bottle have water in?
I'm gonna get £5 soon. Everyone gets to see 1,000 subscribers or 50. To get 100 first, and I'll do a little special. We call it punching someone.
I'll do that next year.
Who's Marissa? You mean this? What is it? Joker, innit? People get confused, don't they? They look the exact same.
There's wasps on that. I'm moving.
There's a wasp that just went right in front of my face like hi and it just
What's
disappeared.
behind you?
No, there is actually.
I made her jump on the back.
Stop calling me her.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
You are her.
That sounds really weird. You are her.
You're
You are her.
I'm not a girl.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you
When a
are.
girl body doesn't mean I'm a girl.
You could be a. Your religion could be brick.
I'm a gender. Apparently, like Rambo. Apparently, he steals his fans' genders. I'm a Rambo fan.
You have no genders anymore.
I have no gender.
This person is a bred gender.
Hey,
But you were bred.
I'm a gender. I said use pronouns.
You're bred with
Right, basically-
Joker.
A gender. Is
Can you stop throwing stones?
There's no gender.
That just cracked my screen, I think.
No, I didn't.
It wanked my screen. Sorry.
Let's sit on the bench.
Why? Just why, man? To get people on. Why aren't you?
Wait. Guys, we're going to stop the video soon, so...
They ain't gonna hold girl. They ain't gonna know. Give me that stick.
So ma. You guys get the 360 view of me. This is my face. This is what I see now. Wherever I look, I'm going to put this in front of my face and look around. So, hi. Is that even filming you?
You want a sharp stick?
A
got a
sharp,
dick.
a sharp dick. Save me. Do you need your new lawyer? Visit today at no one. You're not going to get one. Oh, guys, by the way.
Rabbit!
Oh, I don't think he heard us.
Disappointment. I'm gonna snap this stick.
So, guys,
Pass that stick.
I've got a big gun.
Pass this stick here.
School does not allow this.
Pass this stick here.
we're allowed things that look like guns because it's racist.
Why?
I don't know.
No, it encourages criminal behaviour, apparently. How does this stick encourage criminal behaviour? I'm the vigilante.
Hello.
Cowan. Hi, Cowan. Her name's actual Cowan.
You know what vigilantes do?
Does she act like Karen?
No.
Now there's a cavern down thingy in there. Hollow pit in it. Or something like that.
Oh yeah,
There's one.
Near the conker.
No,
Kong.
she ain't a Karen. The one near the hanging trees.
Oh yeah. Livia. Hey Leo. Country. Cunt.
Who the? What? Leo's my younger brother. Thank you.
He did.
Oh yeah, he did. Sorry.
Yeah, he's not dead.
He did.
No, his soul's bloody. What are you doing?
I'll go on.
Who wants a shot?
That's a wasp.
There'll be a wasp behind you.
That's very wasp over there, mate. I'm like, just need a bin.
Okay, let's go get.
I never knew wasps were bins.
This shit out now.
There's actually one behind you. Oh God. Punch it.
There's one behind you.
Where? Me or her? Oh. Oh yeah, there actually is one right behind you.
Now, see, if there was a wasp, that people would have took it.
No. They'd be dead, but they can still follow you.
What? A real wasp. I'm not kidding. What?
Yeah, it was in the fucking bush, mate. They're not even a fly though.
I didn't really care, did I?
He did scream.
So guys, I'm going to end the video here because we're going into the house.
No, we're going to do a giveaway of 2 sharp sticks.
No.
Yeah.
No, seriously, no.
No.
So guys, we're going. Goodbye. Bye from her. Bye from them. Goodbye.